Apple launched its M1 chip in November 2020, which is its first step to part ways from Intel. Now reports from Bloomberg suggest that Apple is working on even more powerful CPUs to replace Intel from their higher-end devices like the desktop lineup. Apple is said to be testing chips that have as many as 32 high-performance core with higher-end desktop in later 2021 and a new Mac Pro that is half the size of current one planned in 2022. Apple is also working on a CPU with 16 high-performance core and 4 efficiency core. Because development depends on many production line, Apple could end up with 8 to 12 cores in early 2021 and possibly 20 cores in the second half or later 2021. Apple is also working on improved graphics processor for laptops that would top its own M1 chip. Bloomberg notes that the Apple is working on new chip for higher-end laptops and desktop that would have 16 cores and 32 graphic parts. For later in 2021 or potentially 2022, Apple is working on a pricier graphics upgrades with 64 and 128 dedicated cores aimed at its higher-end machines. Those graphics chips would be several times faster than the current modules Apple uses from Nvidia and AMD in its Intel-powered hardware. So this is amazing news from Apple. Now they will have a complete control over all hardware and software components for their Mac lineup as well, which would obviously increase efficiency from those Mac laptops. So this is the news which we currently have regarding the Apple's new chipsets, and further more update in this topic will be updated with another video or in the community section. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share to support the channel. Until my next video, peace.